Hi everyone, so we're here in Bohol and this is the last day tonight. This is the last night here, and yeah, it's me, Chidi Filipina. I hope you don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. So yeah, today is the last night and we're doing a night swimming. Then yeah, I will show you around, guys. We have a really nice view here. See, I will show you around. So this is the view nighttime here, and we are here in the cliffside resort in Panglao, Bohol. And look at the view. That's the nighttime view. That's our nighttime view tonight. See. Ooh, and there's the ocean. You heard the geckos. I'm here with Kuya Storm channel and Matits Filipina Matits TV. So I will go there to, if you like to see them, guys. So this is Filipina. We can swim nights. Joke. I know it's not only Filipina, but yeah. So there's the hotel, and look at the view. We have a nice weather today, and the farm and the fall is warm. And look at them. Ooh, so nice around. I'm here in the fall with Matits Filipina Matits. Hi to my vlog. I can't use your name. I use the old names, just Matits TV. But she changed her name, guys. Filipina Matits TV.
Yeah. Filipina because I have lots of accounts. Foreigner.
Oh my goodness! Subscribe. You can subscribe to our channel and of course to the host. So there's
Beautiful. Hot Filipina.
I really like my camera, guys. I use this Ultra S24 Ultra. Oh my god. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, this is Samsung S24, guys. From oh my god, guys, look at the view. It's amazing. If you like to visit Bohol, we have a lot of tourist spot here, and you can visit Bohol. Is there in the chat?
I'm with this one. Bakit na ganun yung ilaw?
So we're doing our live both together forever. Charis. Together forever. I'm doing my vlog, guys. You can watch this. Ah, my gula, my color.
Ganda. Hello. Ganda niya.
Ang ganda ng mga sirena.
Sana all.
We are the mermaid. Night mermaid. Filipina.
Filipina mermaid.
Tomorrow we'll go back again and to Megati. Yeah.
Yeah,
enjoy.
for us back to normal in the Philippines. Loving life. As over State Road would say, you'll see the stress I'm under here. Filipinas.
Melvin, hello, Melvin vlog. Well, I use that.
Is your live still going?
Yeah, I'm doing my live.
Screen's very low.
It's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Oh my god, you show up to my live. Oh my god. Kuya Wandera, hello.
They are both live.
We're both live.
She's on my camera and I'm on her camera.
Funny.
Oh my god.
I'm Che the Filipino. Welcome to my live.
Che the Filipino.
I'm so guapa. In it.
Oh my goodness.
I'm now at the storm. Hey guys, welcome to Ate Store channel. Oh my god, sabi lahat. Sa akin, huwag na nasabi. Hi, Che. Hi. Who's that? Who's that?
I don't know.
Who's that? The other one.
Kuya Wandera, kumusta ka Inday? Tagay na tayo.
Tagay na. Sino si Kuya Wandera? Si Kuya ano?
Kuya
Barako?
Squid. Wow. Hi, Melvin.
Ay. Si Kuya Barako?
No,
No?
it's another one.
Is that Kuya Squid? Is
No.
the other? The other Kuya?
Um,
I'm doing my vlog.
Sana all Kuya Wandera.
My swimming vlog.
oh, sorry. I'm on the way. Lucas, yes. I can't remember his last name, but his name is Lucas.
Ah, yeah.
What was the last part of your name or your
Is he
last name?
from Australia?
Our love is very, very deep.
Kuya
Hi,
Wandera
thank you
from
so much,
Australia?
guys. Guys, you should visit Bohol.
Bohol is awesome.
Yeah, Bohol is awesome.
Lucas Cookman, yes.
Yeah.
Kuya
Like
Wandera
I
is Lucas
show you
Cookman.
to my vlog. I have a lot of vlog. I need to see that. It's just,
Bohol is so beautiful. Awesome.
there's a lot of
We are
tourist
definitely
spot
coming
in
back
here.
to Bohol again.
If
This
you like
place
to, if you
is
like to visit
magnificent. I mean,
Bohol,
it's
you
like
can
an hour
search
and a half
on.
ride to go to the chocolate
You know, there's
hills.
a lot. You can rent a car here.
Man, there's some really nice places out in the province, away from the tourist areas. I could definitely live out there. Some really nice homes. So, I said I could definitely live out here in some of the nice homes in the province.
Hi,
Not
sis,
everything
bakit
on
come
Bohol
here?
is tourist. Yeah,
Hi, I'm the
I like.
mermaid.
I still need to see the province out in Taiwan where she's from. But it may be just as beautiful there, but I definitely have a good vibe from Bohol here. No, we haven't looked at prices here, but also want to check and buy one. I mean, I may fall in love with it just as much out there. Nice. Well, one day you'll have to come see us and we'll hang out and it'll be a lot of fun. Oh, Cebu, nice. Yeah, the sulfur steam stuff is really close.
Hi, everybody.
Together.
I'm doing my live stream, and while I'm doing this vlog, hope you guys enjoy it. Woo! Party, charis joke.
We'll definitely come back to Bohol and I want to do the river lunch cruise again.
Oh, Kuya Wandera, you're will be in Negros. Okay.
Bohol.
Oh my God, what is that?
Hey, Susanna, my grandmother. Nice, good. If you didn't schedule that, or you hadn't planned the river cruise for lunch on the, yeah, what was it? I forget the name of the cruise place in the book, but you definitely need to do that lunch. And it was a really nice way to go. We did the ATVs for like 2 hours.
Thank you so much
and
for
checked
watching.
the
Don't
hills.
forget to hit the like and subscribe.
Tarzoos, Man-Made Forest. Then we did
Bye.
the lunch and